My friends, I have got Subarna Sengupta with me. She is fantastic chess player and I have got the opportunities in my life to take her interview. My friends, what's your name?
Suvarna Sengupta.
Okay, where do you live now?
I live in Hooghly,
Okay,
Tinsura,
okay. And what class do you read in now?
class 9.
Okay. And what is your favorite subject?
My favorite subjects is maths and science,
Mhm.
and I play chess for my passion.
Okay. And how many hours per day you are spending on your preferred subject?
I spend likely 4 and 5 hours on reading books and studying common
Oh.
subjects, and I try to spend 1 hour at least in a day to play for chess.
Okay. I have come to know that you are the rising chess player in your Hooghly district. How it is possible?
Firstly, my father taught me chess,
Mhm.
and he is one of the best players
Mhm.
in his district. He is from Shiliguri district.
Mhm.
So, yeah, I'm naturally good at chess.
Okay. Who gave you the moral support? Your mom or your dad?
Both gave me financial support and
Mhm.
mental support,
Mhm.
and they always want me
Mhm.
to play chess
Mhm.
as my passion, as my hobby. 2
How,
years,
how many years back you learned your chess?
3 years.
3 years.
In the period when the corona pandemic was there.
Okay. Can you tell me your best moment in your chess career?
Best moment playing the tournaments, during the tournaments.
Mhm.
That is the best moment for my, and every tournament is best in my life.
Okay.
I can not specify any one, exactly one.
Okay. Are you a rated player?
Yes, I am a rated player.
How much rating you have achieved now?
1537 in standard, and in rapid I have no rating, and in blitz I have no rating.
Who is your chess coach?
My chess coach is in home. My chess coach is my father,
Mhm.
and in academy I go to academy,
Mhm.
DDBCA.
Mhm.
There is Tomal sir, Sumit sir, and
Mhm.
Grandmaster Dibyendu Guru also supervises us.
Okay. And when the chess coach will come at your residence per day, how many hours the teacher teaches you the chess?
Like 1 to 2 hours.
And when you will go outside for learning the chess, how many hours you are learning the chess per day, per class?
No, I don't go every day like in Kolkata.
Mhm.
I go usually Friday and Saturday every week,
Mhm.
and I practice there from 2 p.m. to 8 p.m.
Okay, how you balance with your chess along with your academic education?
I mostly go to school, and I mostly complete all my works in school timing.
Mhm.
Like we know that we spend a very long period in our school, so I just manage all the homeworks. Like I just do it in school, and after returning home, I just take some rest and go to. My tuitions are very less.
Mhm.
Some tuitions I have. So I go to the tuition, then I practice chess, and then I.
The situation comes in your life that you are thinking that you are spending more time in chess and you are spending less time in your academic education.
No, that type of situation never came in my life till now.
Mhm. And
I think I can balance it.
okay, you think you can balance it. And in future, what you want to be?
I want to be a school teacher,
Mhm.
and of my favorite subject science
Mhm.
or maths.
Uh.
And in chess career, I want to be a grandmaster.
Okay, who is your idol chess player?
Gary Kasparov.
Gary Kasparov. And why not Magnus Carlsen?
No, I like the style of playing of
Mhm.
Gary Kasparov. So that passive way, I like that. not the open way of Magnus Carlsen. He is always a good chess player. Of course, I saw his games and I study his games, but my idol is Garry Kasparov, and I
Okay.
follow him.
Okay, I am Utpal Paul and I am the secretary of Purbo Medinipur Jila Daba Samstha in West Bengal of India. On behalf of the organizing body of Purbo Medinipur Jila Daba Samstha, I wish you all the best and I hope that one day your dream will come true and one day you will become the female grandmaster of India. Obviously, you will be the first girl from West Bengal who will become the female grandmaster on chess event, right?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. All the best. Bye.
Bye.